Hello guys, I'll be prepping a Cat5e cable in order to crimp it to an Rj45 connector for you today. I'm trying to remove the rubber coat with my stripper and also the shade used to protect the copper press. I'll be cutting this out. So next is to untwist the copper pairs and arrange them according to type B color code. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm untwisting my cable. On my top right is a picture for clearer illustration. So a picture will pop up to show you how you can arrange your cable. So that's the picture up there. So now I'll be cutting off the excess. So next is to pick up my Rj45 and carefully funnel my prepped cable into the connector and ensure it's well tight. As you can see, my cables are reaching to the far end. Okay, as you can see. So next is to pick up my crimping tool and crimp the connector to the cable. So thanks for watching guys. Do well to like, share and subscribe.